Hello, my friends. Hope all you're doing well and staying safe and healthy. My name is Ellen. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. If you're new to my channel, welcome to my Southern Kitchen, the 406th episode and the 11th episode of Ellen's Fall Baking Series 2020. Before we begin, I would like to thank all of you. We have reached another milestone, 21,000 subscribers. Woohoo! Thank you again, my friends, for watching and tuning in. Truly grateful. Now we're on to 22,000. My friends, can you believe Halloween is around the corner, 2 weeks away? OMG, it's upon us. Well, I got a great recipe that would be perfect for your Halloween parties or gatherings. We're gonna make pumpkin pie dip. And my friends, it is the bomb.com. It's gonna be so delicious. And as always, it is so simple and easy to make. This would definitely be a hit. Everybody would go crazy over this dip. And also, it'd be great to serve at game day at your tailgating party. Touchdown! Y'all gonna love it, love it, love it. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my Halloween treats recipes playlist, my game day recipes playlist, and my previous video, caramel apple pound cake. I'll post a link to all three of those down below in the description box. So grab your powdered sugar, your cream cheese, and your pumpkin puree sugar, because we're about to make some pumpkin pie dip magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright, my friends, in my large bowl, I have 1 8-ounce carton of pumpkin spice flavored cream cheese spread to give it a little bit more pumpkin spice flavor. Or if you can't find it, you can use regular cream cheese spread. And we're going to add in 1 cup of powdered sugar, that's sifted. And we're going to cream both of these together on medium speed until it's fluffy. Alright, now it's time to add in our last few ingredients. A half a cup of sour cream, one cup of pumpkin puree, not the pumpkin pie mix, and last but not least, our spices. 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon and a half a teaspoon of my homemade pumpkin pie spice. I'll post a link to that recipe down below in the description box. And we're going to mix these together until it's well incorporated. Alright, my friends, our pumpkin pie dip is complete. See how simple and easy it was? And look at that beautiful orange color. I can smell the cinnamon, the pumpkin pie spice. Alright, perfect. So now I'm about to put it in my serving bowl. And then we'll give it a taste. Alright, my friends, there you have it. Pumpkin pie dip. Thought it looked delicious. And I garnished it with some ground cinnamon. And you can serve this with graham crackers or apples. I'm serving it with cinnamon flavored graham crackers. Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Look at that. Creamy and decadent. Bursting with pumpkin goodness. This pumpkin pie dip is fantastic, my friends. Yum-o. Pumpkin pie dip-licious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video and this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights on Instagram or send me an email, ellenshomemade@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. I'll see you next time. Let's eat. Much love, stay safe, and happy Halloween.